Right, welcome back to the channel. If this video helps you out, please give us a thumbs up and a like. Right here we've got a Mark 7 Fiesta. I'm going to show you how to remove the rear light if you need to change your bulb or change the whole light if it's broken. So you need to pop the boot open like so. And you've got two screws here, one there. It's a little Torx one. So let me just get these off now. This is an old scrap car, so don't have to be too delicate with the screws, just throw them straight back in the boot. Right, now when they're off, just give it a wiggle, and normally they pull out this way because there's like little locating tabs on here, so don't go so that's probably snap. I'm just going to put the, will I be able to get them out? Just going to put the camera down. Right, I've just pulled it out. There's one locator there and one locator there, which are these tabs here, so you do have to put it here. But I have noticed that there is a long bolt there, so maybe there should be a wing nut behind that. I'll have a look at the other side just so we can have a quick look. And all you need to do, just pull the little tab up here, give it a pull, and out it comes, just like that. Pretty simple. I'll have a look at the other side quick to see whether there is a wing nut or something. Right, no, there was no one on the other side either. Just pulled straight out. Maybe it's just for locating it, I don't know. Well, there's none on this car, so just be careful in case yours has got one. But yeah. Right, hope this video's helped some of you out, and thanks for watching.